Hello friends, hope everyone is doing good. In this video, I'm going to share you the unboxing of Waterpik water flosser, and also I will share how to use this water flosser. A toothbrush can't get into small spaces, so this water flosser helps to remove food stuck between your teeth and the bacteria before it hardens into a plaque. Water flossing can also help to reduce gum diseases and bleeding cavities. Brushing only gets 60% of the surface area of your teeth, and flossing is required in order to clean the other 40%. So the problem with flossing is that most people find it too time consuming, too difficult, or they are doing it incorrectly. So if this sounds like you, a Waterpik water flosser is a great alternative. Studies shown that Waterpik is 51% more effective than flossing for reducing all kind of teeth problems. If you have trouble using dental floss, or if you have braces, dental work like permanent or fixed bridges, a water flosser might be helpful. We can use this water flosser before or after our brushing. This is a combo pack, and with this combo pack we got a travel pack too. This is very easy to carry while traveling too. This is the manual, and in this manual they gave us the complete details like how to use this Waterpik. Watch this video till end. I will show you how to use this Waterpik and how to fix this Waterpik. This is the handle, and this is the water on off switch, and that is the tip eject button. After done using this, we can keep back this handle. We have this handle holder too. This is the plug to connect, and the wire is not that much long. You can see the power switch button and the pressure control dial on this product. This is called reservoir. We have to fill water in this before using. This is the reservoir lid. They provided with different tips, and we can store all these tips on this reservoir lid. These are the different picks that were provided in this Waterpik. I will explain each tip in detail, how to use it and how to fix this tip to the handle. These are called tips, and each tip is having a different feature, and there are total of 6 tips. This is the plaque seeker tip. To use this tip, place the tip close to the teeth so that the bristles are gently touching the teeth. Brush gently and allow the water to flow between the teeth to remove any food particles. This is the classic jet tip, and this is the most recommended tip. Each tip is explained clearly in the instruction manual. So before using any tip, check it out in the instruction manual. This is the orthodontic tip. This is best for braces and for general use. This is the other classic jet tip provided, and this is best for the general use. This is the toothbrush tip, and this toothbrush tip can be used for the general purpose, and we can use this toothbrush tip with or without the toothpaste. Turn the water flosser on to massage the brush back and forth with very short strokes, so much like you would do with a manual toothbrush. This is called pickpocket tip. This tip is specifically designed to deliver water under your gum line. This helps to have healthy gums. Now I will show you how to fix these tips to the handle. Insert tip into the center of the water flosser handle, pressing down firmly until the tip clicks into place. Press the power button on, and it's ready to use now. To remove the tip from the handle, push the tip eject button on the handle. Easy to remove and easy to insert. And now I'm inserting the next tip. We can store all these tips on the reservoir cover, and it will be very handy when we want to use it. This is the travel pack I got along with this Waterpik. So during traveling, we can carry this water pick easily. They provided us with this small bag to carry this water pick. And all the features are same as like I shown before in this video. The best thing about this is, in this traveling pack they provided us with the separate tips. These are the tips that are provided in this traveling kit. This is the water reservoir to fill the water in, and this is to store all the tips here. For this traveling kit, the inserting and removing of the tip is same as like I shown before. This is how the travel kit look like. And this water pick can help remove food particles from your teeth, and it remove visible film and plaque on your teeth, but can aid in reduction of bacteria even below the gum line. Even the kids can use this water pick, but under the supervision of the elders. Even the doctors are suggesting this water pick nowadays because most of the people are having these teeth diseases. This water flosser does not require much space, so we can fix this water flosser near our wash basin so we can use it comfortably whenever we want. I'm using this classic jet tip now. Firstly, I'm filling the lukewarm water into this reservoir. This is the pressure control dial, so we can fix the level how much pressure we need. Now I am fixing the pressure level to 5. This is the power switch button. At level 5, the pressure of the water will be like this. If you want more pressure, you can increase the level. We should listen this click sound, then only the tip is correctly locked into place. Always place the tip in your mouth before turning the water on. With water switch on handle in off position, turn power on, lean over sink and slightly close lips enough to prevent splashing while still allowing water to flow from mouth into the sink. Direct this tip at the 90-degree angle to your gum line with tip in mouth. Glide tip along gum line and pause briefly between teeth. Continue until you have cleaned the inside and outside of both the upper and lower teeth. When the water is done in the reservoir, you can fill it up back. We should not use this water pick for more than 5 minutes. If we have any open wound on your tongue or in your mouth, you should not use this water pick. I suggest this water pick water flosser because it keeps our teeth healthy and hygiene. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment, and see you all in the next video. Bye.